If you look there, I have my ratchet and a cheater pipe on these lug nuts. Somebody way over tightened them. I think I got 3 or 4 of them loose, but watch how much effort I got to put into this thing. That one was the lightest one. There's literally no excuse for them to be that tight. Imagine a lady driving this van getting a flat tire and someone trying to help her, or her herself trying to change this tire on the side of a road. That's just blatant disrespect. Not caring about your job. So whoever put these tires on was a little bit happy with the gun. I find it hard to believe that the owner would do this with a ratchet and socket like that, but that's just ridiculous. Thanks for watching. Oh, by the way, when I put them back on, they'll be hand torqued to 100 foot-pounds. That was at least 170 foot-pounds trying to take them off like that with a cheetah bar. That runs the risk of breaking the studs. They're on so tight. Hopefully the other side isn't. Thanks for watching.